Hello, hello everybody, it is Mindy and I am here with a video for you today from GBFKE. This is a diamond painting video. I do other things as well. I hope that you stick around and check out some of the other things I do on my channel as well as diamond painting. So let's get right into it. First of all, let's say thank you to GBFKE for letting me pick out some things to show you. All right, let's move this aside and let's get to it. Let's get to it. I got some pretty things here to show you today. So, who doesn't love tulips? I mean, you know I love tulips. If you've been around any length of time, you hear me talk about tulips all the time. I love these. These are so pretty. Got the pink, yellow, oranges, and I like the background of this, how it's all colored in. We got blue and green and purple. I think it's super pretty. And look at all the special drills. Look at all these A's and C's. It's going to be really pretty. There's only 9 different drills on this, but I think they're going to be beautiful. I think it's going to be stunning. So let's check it out and see what we get. I hope you're having a great day. It was very gloomy and icky here this morning, but the sun is coming out. It's getting quite lovely now. All right, here's what we have. Here are our rhinestones first. We have a yellow. Well, of course we do. A pink. Makes sense. I don't know what this is. It's like a very light taupe color. An aqua and an orange. That's it for the rhinestones. Now the special drills. Yellow pearls. Clear. I call them clear. Pink marquee. Those are very pretty. Love these. Love, love. I'm going to figure out where those go. Those are so pretty. And then we have some gold marquees. So where do those guys go? They're number 8. Where do they go? Number 8 is the C. Where are, oh, right here. Here. Like on the, oh, that's going to be pretty. Oh, there's quite a few of them. I like that. That's nice. All right. Well, we're off to a great start, aren't we? A great start. Okay. Number 1. Okay. Number 2. I'm in collecting mode. I am in collecting mode. I'm trying to get all of these. There's 4. There are 4 of these fun little chickens. I have 1. I have number 2. And it's hard because they all have a code. I think they go by this code here. You got to go and you got to put this code in to make sure you get the correct painting. And sometimes, I don't know. Sometimes I think I got the right one and I don't have the right one. And they're very similar, and sometimes I mess up. But anyhow, I'm trying to collect all 4 of these because I think they are adorable. These little chickens in boots. Oh my goodness. Aren't they cute? And their glasses. I mean, come on. A chicken in boots and glasses. So cute. Look at these feathers. The wing tail feathers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love it. It has 11 different drills, and we're going to check them out and see what they are. I think there's a lot of special ones in this one. I could be wrong. I could be very wrong, but we'll find out in a second. All right, here we go. What do we have? We have the pink. We have the teal. We have the clear, orange. We have some green. We have quite a bit of black. I'm attached to the bag. Black. Oh, that color is beautiful. I love that color right there, that magenta. Then we have, oh, these are some of my favorites, iridescent snowflakes. I love those. Can you see the purple and the blue in there? Green. Oh, they're so pretty. Love those. We have some white pearls. We have some blue pearls. And we have some of these pretty, pretty blue teardrops. They're like the clear type. And a glob. We have a glob. See our glob right there? I just love this. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I've yet to do one of these chickens, but I am dying to get to one. I want the glue strip off the bag is just going crazy everywhere. It's trying to come off the bag and just take off and do its own thing and go everywhere. Stay put. Okay, number 2. Love it. All right, this one I thought was very unique. I don't get very many 30 by 40s anymore. Most of them are the smaller 30 by 30s, but this one just struck my fancy. I like that it's all printed on the background. We got a little light yellow to pink and the blues up there. So everything has color on it. And look at all these special drills just kind of dripping down here. There's a bunch in there. all around here. I think this one's going to be stunning. Look at those 7s. Wow, there's only 8 different drills for this. Wow, okay. And I see at least 5, 6, 7, and 8 are special drills. So maybe half of them. Okay, let's check it out. I love the star in the middle with all the pretty flowers. I really like this. There were a few varieties that were similar to this. This is one I picked out. All right, what do we have here? We have, 2 bags of clear rhinestones. 2. 1 bag of blue, some green, and pink. That's our rhinestones. All right. Then we have white pearls. We have blue faceted. We have yellow. I would not have expected yellow, but we have these yellow flowers and large blue pearls. Yellow flowers. Huh. Number 7 is 7. Okay, so they're going to make the centers of all of those larger flowers. Oh, that makes sense. That was kind of surprising. I didn't expect to see those, but there you have it. Pretty though, right? I think it's very pretty. All right, and then, okay, here's a toolkit. Here's what a toolkit looks like. They come with all the kits. Then we got something in a bag. What comes in the bag? It has its own little bag. Oh yeah, this is cute. Oh, this is so cute. Hang on, now it's in another bag too. A bag in a bag. In a bag. All right, I'm getting to it. Hang on, hang on. This is adorable. Here's our drills, another toolkit. Okay, this one has a stand. Oh, it has a square. Oh, not square, rectangle stand. Interesting. I don't think I've ever gotten one of those. There's a film on both sides of this. Peel it off. It will be very, very clear when you peel off the film. So make sure you're peeling off that film. It's just there to protect it. So it's a stand-up piece. And look at it. Oh my goodness. It is a sheep. And I am saying that sheep is crocheting because there is only one hook type needly thing in the sheep's hand, paw, foot. I love this. It is so stinking cute, right? What is cuter than a lamb with a ball of yarn crocheting? I mean, he's basically making something out of his own fur, probably. Right? How cute, though. I love this. I think there were 2 of them. They were just like a different angle, the way they were sitting or something, but I think there were 2 different ones. But I love that. It's adorable. Oh my goodness. Right? Oh, let's look at the drills. Drills, drills, drills. Okay, here we go. As soon as I can get them out of the bag. Now, no legend or anything comes with these. You just look at the bag and you just go with what it says on the bag. If it's a number, like this is number 1, you put it on the ones. And look what we have. We have the iridescent clears. These are some of my favorites. They're so pretty. Ah, gorgeous. And it's going to probably outline the white on the sheep. Yes, look at all of that outlining on the sheep. Love it. Then we get some pretty blue, another blue, more to the teal side, a pink, a light purple, and some green. All right, now our specials. Pink teardrops. Love it. Red pearls, the clear variety. More little snowflakes, little pink snowflakes. Little bitty white pearls, and we get some hearts. Oh, I love it. Oh, yeah, I see one right there. Little blue hearts. Is that the only one? It might be. I don't know. We got plenty of hearts here, though. I see 1 C. Yep, I think that's it. 1 heart right there in the middle of its hat. I love it. Isn't that cute? Oh, my gosh. I fell in love with it. I just fell in love with it. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we have. I am so excited for the little sheep. I love it. All right, so we got the sheep. Just a little recap here. We got the sheep. Crocheting sheep. We got this beautiful stars. We got another addition to our chicken family. and some beautiful, beautiful tulips. I love it. What a nice little collection of items here today from GBFKE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will link all of these items below so you can find them if you're interested in any of these. And check out GBFKE for your special drill, special project, fun stuff, right? Don't forget, Smashing the Specials comes up later this summer again, so you don't want to miss out. Get you some special drill projects so you can join in. They're so much fun. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all those things. Check out that next video at the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone.